I'm going to discuss the very crucial topic, as you can see that exalted and debilitated state of the planet. So degree of the planet plays a crucial role. So if you want to enjoy the life, if you want to enjoy in every aspects, either marriage aspects, job aspects, wealth aspects, financial aspects, and you want to enjoy your life, then you have to look your horoscope for the exalted and debilitated degree of the planets. So watch this video till end, because today you can understand what are the benefits when the Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, Saturn are placed in the exalted house or negative when debilitated house. So these are the degrees of the planets when the Sun is exalted in Aries 10 degree, Moon in Taurus 3 degree, Mars in Capricorn 28 degree, Mercury in Virgo 15 degree, Jupiter in Cancer 5 degree, Venus in Pisces 27 degree, and Saturn in Libra 20 degree. So these are the degrees you need to take care all of them while predicting the chart or while looking into your chart. So in the simple word, you can see that if Sun is just opposite of that number, 7 digit ahead, the planet becomes debilitated. So if Sun is exalted in 1, then we will move into 7th house, that is Libra. So 7 number, it becomes debilitated. So from 1, if we skip 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So total is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5 houses left, the planet becomes debilitated. Same condition here. Moon becomes exalted in 2 number, Taurus. Then we will move 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, Scorpio, it's debilitated. Again you can see that the difference between them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Likewise we will see, you can see all the planets. So just remember, Sun is exalted in Aries, Moon in Taurus, and Mars in Capricorn, Mercury in Virgo, Jupiter in Cancer, Venus in Pisces, and Saturn in Libra. These are the parameters to remember all the things. So you should make these notes or paste this chart on your dashboard. Now what will happen? Just look out your D1 chart, Lagna chart, or any divisional chart. This is applicable in all the charts where the planet present in the exalted state or in which house. If the planet is exalted in any house, then that house benefic result definitely in the Dasha, Antardasha and Gochar. You will definitely get either Moon chart, Sun chart, either a Venus chart, D21, D24, whatever divisional charts, you get the result. So I'm going to discuss, if suppose Sun is exalted in your chart, if you see that in your chart Sun is presented in 1, and this 1 number can be written anywhere in your chart, anywhere, especially in the Kendra or the Trikona or in the second house. In that case, Moon is exalted. Be prepared to enjoy the royal status of life. Your chances of government job quite high. You can get a top level of position in the private sector, in the MNC sector. So you will charm like a king. So if your Sun is exalted in your horoscope, either D1, D9, you will benefit. But if the Sun is debilitated, then there can be struggle. You have to work hard for the competition, you have to work hard for the job, you need to take care of your marriage life and stay away from the legal matters. Otherwise you may face the setback in life related to government issues and taxes. A relationship with father will depend on the relationship of the father will definitely degrade in case of deviations. These are the parameters you need to take care. Now what will happen if Moon is exalted? If Moon is exalted, you will see that Moon is placed in the 2nd number. This 2nd number can be anywhere in the house. What will happen? You will face mood swing, and every now and then you will change your mindset, which will be the greatest barrier in your success with the debilitated Moon. So if Moon is debilitated, the situations will happen. But if the Moon is not debilitated, be ready to be a limelight and enjoy all the name and fame in your career and happiness from mother and from your wife as well. So in the case of exalted, you will be benefited. In the case of debilitated, you will have the problem. Now What will happen if if Mars is present, if your Mars is present in Capricorn, means 10 number in the Rashi of Saturn? You will enjoy the happiness and contentment from the land and property with the exaltation in your birth chart. Good support from brother along with decent status in the society. So these are the cases when you will happy in that case. But if it is in the Cancer state, in that case your mother will have the health issues, disputes over the property, and struggle in life to get the success and achievement, you will see. But please note down the houses in which the condition applicable. Definitely the result of that house will be more, and the planet present in the respective nakshatra also play crucial role. So what will happen if Mercury in Virgo in number 6, in me it's exalted, in number 12 Pisces it's a debilitated state? What will happen in the exalted state? In that case you will have versatile nature, you will be sympathetic, fair mind, sharp intelligence, healing capability, and good amount of knowledge related to everything. But in case of it is debilitated, then you have to use your mind analytical skills much more than the expected. You will be often confusion state, and the skin problem might disturb you most of the times, or there can be a voice dosha in your daily life of routine. So these are the parameters you should take care, and you should be take care the relationship with the sister and the cousins may degrade in case of the Mercury is debilitated. Now what will happen if Jupiter is exalted in number 4 and debilitated in number 10? In the case of Jupiter, if Jupiter is placed in the exalted state, you will be benefited, happiness, domestic pleasure. If it is placed in your lagna, then you will have a sharp mind. If it is placed in 4 Jupiter in your career house, then you will have success in your career achievement. But on the other hand, it is debilitated. If number 10 is written with Jupiter, in that case the respective houses, the problem you will face. So in short, finances look good for you. You will receive the blessings of knowledge through a good mentor with the exaltation of Jupiter. In case of Jupiter is debilitated, will give a setback in the finances, children related matters, and you need to cure the debilitated planets by the Bij mantra or by the Strotam. These all things will be available in our Android app. You can get it or from our website free of cost. Now the second last is what will happen if Venus is placed in number 6, that is debilitated, and Venus is placed in number 12 exalted state. In the case of if Venus is exalted, means be ready to have all the luxury of your life. You will have enlightenment, you will have spirituality, fun, party, love, romance, and the bed life, sexual life will be very good, and you will have fertility is very good, and the number of children you will have more than one in this case. But in case of debilitated planet, opposite to the exalted state will be applicable. The debilitated Venus will give a distance relationship, and the essence of love will be lacking in the married life. So married life will be quite disturbed in case of Venus is debilitated. Now at the last, Saturn. If Saturn is placed in Libra, then it is exalted, but if it is placed in Aries, in that case it is debilitated. So what will happen when Saturn is exalted? It will give you best career and status. You will rise in your career, the graph will boom in your life. But if it is debilitated, then struggle, appraisal will be late, promotion will be late, and you will have to face the hard and tough challenges related to career and the relationship. So please note down, if the planet is debilitated in the Lagna chart, but in the Naman chart it is exalted, then there is no need to worry. But if the planet is exalted in the Lagna and debilitated in the Namas, then you need to focus much maturity in your life, and with the commitment and with the bonding with your spouse, you will rise in your career. This is all about the exalted state and the debilitated state of planets in your chart. So the planet in the exalted state placed in any houses will give the positive result of that house. Apart from that, significant of the planet will also be received. And if the planet is present in the debilitated state in the respective house, the house negative or the less positivity you will gain. This is all about the planets in the exalted and debilitated state. So that's all for the day. We will soon catch more videos, more things. That's all.